Hello, and today I will show you how to use Ask a Question. So first, from your MySCU, you have two options to access Ask a Question. You can either click on Academic Skills and Studiosity, or you can click on the Learning Hub. The Learning Hub is available on any of your MySCU screens, so always remember that. So we're going to use Academic Skills and Studiosity. Once you're on this screen, you're going to click Connect Now. You are now on the Academic Skills landing page. We're going to scroll down and you're going to click Make an Appointment. Now I'm already logged in, but you would come to a screen where you would need to enter your MySCU login details and click Current Student to come to this same screen. Once here on the gray banner, we are going to click Ask a Question, and we are now on the Ask a Question landing page. Okay, so when submitting to Ask a Question, remember that we are not a proofreading or editing service. So I've just highlighted it right there. So when you use Ask a Question, you are asking for help with referencing, could be sentence structure or paragraph formatting, assignment formatting, whether you've answered the question of the task. So they're assignment specific, and we will provide you with written advice. There's two ways to access this. Either click this one, or you can click this Ask a Question. So I'll just click here. So on this page, you'll notice that there's a topic, a question, and add a file. In the topic, you're going to put whatever topic you want to discuss. So it could be referencing, it could be a rubric, task information, so you might not actually understand what the task is asking for. It could be the format of your task. So I'm going to type in here APA referencing, because that's what my topic is going to be about. And then I'm going to write a specific question. So remember that you need to ask one thing that you want us to look at. So I'm going to put in here that it's APA referencing and in-text citations for essay and reference list. Okay, so that's what I need checked. So then I'm going to upload the file. So I'll just pick a file, upload. I can then upload another file. So remember that you need to upload your actual task that you're working on, so your essay or annotated bibliography, and then you also need to upload the task sheet, so those are the instructions of what needs to be completed, and your rubric. So we need all three of those to look at in order to give you the best advice on your assignment. Then once you have all your documents, you will then click Ask a Question, which will submit it, and you will receive an email that you have submitted this question. We will then provide you with feedback, which will also be returned to you via email. Okay, I hope this has been helpful.